What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is Po' Boys Garage. Made it in, JCCS 2019. Let's go check out some cars, man. Like first right off the bat, you see this car right here. It's pretty clean.
Be nice.
Oh, little Nissan dual cam. Gotta stop by Lean's Customs, check out the pins that he has.
Yeah, I see those.
So many pins to choose from, man. Does it show in the sun? Yeah. Does it pop in the sun?
Oh, these are great.
Oh yeah. That's cool. That's nice. Like I don't know what to choose. I want to come back, but if like the ones I want are gonna be gone, it's like, man.
You're good. There's nothing.
Get this wagon right here. I'll get this one right there. I'll grab these two right here, man. Couldn't resist myself. Bought some more pins. Woo, there he is, the man himself. Check out this little whip right here, man. I think it's sick.
Yeah, check it out. Let's give it a tour.
What is this exactly?
Daihatsu Mira.
Okay. That's sick. What year is it?
It's a 1989.
It's 89?
Yeah,
all right.
Daihatsu Mira.
That's awesome. Oh, there's that tank he was talking about. That's cool, he came up with that. That's a cool design. This is sick. Get a chance, follow him on Instagram, buy yourself a pin, because I know I did. And of course, we got some Hot Wheels, some old timers, see some old friends right now. Dan, look who it is.
How's it, sir?
Good. Woo. How you doing?
Right.
Good, yeah, back at it, huh?
Always, always. Never step away.
Never, huh?
That's why I gotta switch it up and
Heck yeah, dude.
Get on the Poor Boys channel.
Hey, there you go. Right here. Once a year, right? Once a year. That's cool. Oh, you got some Wayne 80s. Need those. It's tempting to buy so much Hot Wheels, man, but I gotta pace myself. Let's go walk around, see what else we got before I start spending my money.
Oh boy.
Who called me out? What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Cool seeing you. Hope you're watching this video. Enjoy your stickers, but right now I gotta go get away from all the vendors. I'll keep spending my money. Let's go check out some cars now, man. Let's go. It's like, where do you start? Which row do you start on? So many cars, so many rows. Well, let's start on this 240 right now. Gotta show the 240 some love. This line right here. See what Nissan we are to get a free water bottle. See what I am. So what do we gotta do?
Engine. It's a quick quiz. It'll tell you which Nissan you are. Then we'll give you your free water bottle.
All right. Oh, we have to put the info in too.
Yeah.
Is that where you get us?
No.
All right. There we go. All right. Cool.
Hi. Come on up.
Thanks.
You as well, ma'am.
I did the survey. I'm a leaf. Whatever, I'm gonna leave for a water bottle. Free water bottle, you can't go wrong with that.
Hi.
But I think next on the agenda is I wanna go get one of those Japanese classic car show t-shirt that everyone's wearing. So I had to get one of those before they sell out. And after that, I don't even know. So many cars, man. A lot of cars out here. There's the shirts. The one I grabbed.
Thank you.
There's that one. Got these stickers. And if you like classic motorcycles, well, you're in luck. Got some classics for you right here. Look at this Subaru. This is pretty neat. What is it, 1970 Subaru? That's wild. It's tiny. Reminds me of Steve Urkel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the interior. That's cool. Decent room for your passengers in the back. Small but mighty. Got the engine in the back. It's wild. That's a crazy little piece of machinery right here.
Oh yeah. Put the pedal metal to 5,000 RPMs and just go for it.
Oh yeah? This one yours or?
They're both mine.
Oh, they're both yours?
Yeah.
Oh, right on. I've never seen anything like them. They're pretty neat.
That's why they're here.
Right?
Yeah.
If it's not smoking, it's broken. That's a good one right there.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, when I start it up, I look back here. If I don't see blue smoke, I'm shutting her down.
Oh no. And what is this? This is another Subaru?
Yeah, this is the sedan, and they modified it into like the dune buggy style to compete with what's called the Fiat Jolly.
Okay.
And the Fiat Jolly was supposedly used by rich people on their yachts.
Okay.
And you know, they would offload it when they got into port and cruise around town. So Malcolm Bricklin, who imported the Subarus, he called it the Subaru yacht. So, been hoping to get some of that acclaim, but no, they. I think by the time the conversion was finished, the Subaru was belly up.
Okay.
Or at least his Subaru of America was belly up by then.
These are hard to come by?
Oh yeah, this. I'd be surprised if there's half a dozen.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What year was it? What year is it?
This is, they were imported in 69 and 70. This one's 71 because I think that's when the modification was finished. And that's when it was sold.
Wow. A little history on these little cars, huh?
Yeah.
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 That's rad. How much horsepower do these things have?
25.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you know, then again, that's at 5,000 RPM.
Yeah. That's wild. So it's just show car? No, you don't drive it around town or nothing?
Oh no, I drive it around.
You do drive it around?
Oh yeah. Yeah, especially the brakes go bad if you don't drive them. You know, geez, this one alone has spent $1,000 redoing the brakes.
Oh wow.
And that's just getting you know, the wheel cylinders re-sleeved, the shoes redone, relined and stuff like that. A lot of other stuff is reproduced, like weather stripping windshields, but even the pistons, $400 for 2 of those things, whereas you could probably get, you know, almost a whole engine kit for, you know, your Chevy or whatever.
Yeah,
so,
right on, man. You enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
And then check it out. I'll probably have this uploaded either tonight or tomorrow morning.
Cool.
All right. Cool, man. Thank you. The real minivan. Yeah. That's cool. Trying to find stuff that stands out. Definitely, that car stands out. Also, that Celica that came in earlier. They saw the beginning of the episode when I was waiting outside. It's crazy. Yo, look at those tires on that. Damn. Some slicks on this one. know it was right-hand drive? That's sick. I didn't know it was right-hand drive. I didn't see it till right now. That's awesome.
You'd be amazed how many people miss it.
Yeah? Yeah, I wouldn't expect it.
Yeah. It's like, wait, there's no steering wheel over here.
Yeah, what's happening?
Drive-throughs suck, but...
Oh yeah, I bet. Just go in reverse all the time, right?
Then do turning backwards.
Ah, just go straight. Yeah. Look at that right-hand drive. That's awesome. I want to see the old school way, how people kept cool in their classic cars. There's a classic AC right here. Look at this classic AC system. Go straight into the cabin. What is this? Stout 1900? I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. Get it? Cool. Reminds me of like you have this on the farm. That's a Toyota. There you go. It's a Toyota, we know that one now. Good thing I got here early, because check out the line right now. It goes all the way around. Starts from all the way over there, goes all the way around, and goes all the way to the backside. Last year, I think when I first got here, I was on that side over there. Good thing I got here early, like 2 hours early. Man, this event has so much happening right now. Not only are there like awesome classic cars, but you get accessories, wheels, tires, make your car smell good. Anything you need for your car. Or you need to get your moon eyes fix on. We got some moon eyes over here. All your accessory needs. Stickers, decals, car accessories, baby stuff, socks, glasses, all the tiki mugs. Tiki mugs right there. And then for you Hot Wheels people, we have a little sneak peek of some 2020 castings. I'll show you guys right now. There they are. You say these are 2020 models?
These are 2020 prototypes.
2020 prototypes, okay. Probably won't see it till like maybe January, February.
I'm not sure about the release schedule. I mean, some of them might be out before the end of the year.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because usually they come out like late in the year for the next year.
Nice. Crazy. The S13 though, man. The S13
yeah, that's
is gonna
be a popular one.
Oh yeah, scalper heaven right there. If you want your car to smell good and not like booty hole, there you go. Get yourself some rims.
Anyways, I just wanted to ask you first. Sweet, man. Thank you.
There's so much stuff here. You gotta make sure you bring deep pockets. Come with a lot of cash, because I'm pretty sure you'll spend all your money over here. I gotta be careful not to spend too much. I got other stuff to buy. Hey! What's up, man?
So hard to see you.
Yeah.
How are you?
Hi, good. Hi. Hello.
And Caroline.
Hello. Hi. 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 Nice to meet everyone.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh yeah. Hey. Look at. Woo, they made it. Finally met up with them all the way from France.
Yeah.
Everyone. Woo, hey. Yeah. Cool, man. And that'll do it. JCCS 2019. That was so much fun. Saw a lot of cool people that I talked to on Instagram. I even saw Cam Adams. Dude, thank you. All the way from France. Hope you enjoy your shirt and sticker. And to all the other people that I handed stickers to, nice talking to you guys, man. Guys and girls. Girls and guys. Guys and gals. It was fun. So much fun. I hope you all enjoyed all the cars I showed, all the vendors, and just all the cool things happening over here at JCCS 2019. I really hope you enjoyed everything, for reals. You know, after a while you keep going to these car shows, they all kind of like start looking the same, but I try to find all the good cars that kind of stand out from the rest of the pack. And if you enjoyed it, hit the like button. And it's your first time viewing Pole Boys Garage, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And remember, always say what's up, say hello, hola, blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you guys next time on the next Pole Boys Garage episode. Woohoo! One more in the lot. This is nice. There we go. That's a good one. You never know what you'll find in the parking lot. Let's see. Woohoo!